I'm the artist, Pochis, and this series of paintings is called My Lisas. They are about friendship and coming of age. They are also about beauty and vulnerability, nostalgia, regret and guilt, love and loss. The people in the paintings are inspired by photos I take at outdoor music festivals. I take crowd shots, and as I review them, I sketch one or two of the figures, removing the background and the crowd, leaving only the figure and her shadow in a neutral, empty space. The people in the paintings exist in that beautiful, strange, and vulnerable moment between youth and adulthood, and it brings back powerful memories for me. Within the paintings are short personal essays I've written, or excerpts from these essays. They are about very close friends I've had who are no longer in my life. These friends enhanced or complicated my life, challenged me or completed me for a time, and I try to capture that. The first 3 essays I wrote were about friends named Lisa, which was a strange coincidence that inspired the title for the series. Now every painted friend is referred to as Lisa. I strive for honesty in these paintings and essays. I want to capture what each friendship felt like, along with how and why these friendships end. I paint the images in high contrast, monochromatic, matte gray tones, and I think that helps focus in on mood, physicality, and emotion. I render the words in bright, glossy colors, so they overlay the image, existing separate and above the image. I hope that the paintings spark a sense of recognition in the viewers, perhaps inviting memories of an intense friendship that is no more.